Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the TCL 30Z for Straight Talk. So the TCL 30Z is finally here at Straight Talk. The TCL 30Z is also available at Cricket Wireless and TrackPhone. So this phone has been available on a couple of different prepaid carriers so far, and now Straight Talk now has it on their website here. So the TCL 30Z is available now for $59.99. So this is a budget smartphone, very nice looking phone. It's available in black. I don't know why it's grayed out there, but whatever. So the model number is T602DL, and let's go ahead and check out the TCL 30Z here. Let's go back up here. So you guys have your teardrop notch with your front facing camera there, earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. On the back of the TCL 30Z is your single rear camera, which is going to throw a lot of people off because it's 2022 and we're still seeing phones with single rear cameras here, so that sucks. But I mean, it sucks. So I'm sure that's gonna turn a lot. I'm sure it's gonna turn a lot of people off from this phone because it only has one camera in the back. So, anyways, you do have a camera flash on the back as well. TCL logo and your TrackPhone logo there on the back. On the left side of the phone, can't really tell. I don't think the back comes off. So your micro SD card and SIM card slot is probably on the left side of the phone. Not sure if it's kind of hard to see there. It's a simple, intuitive, smart. The TCL 30Z delivers the quintessential smartphone experience in an affordable package, ever filling with value. Enjoy the dazzling display comfortably in a variety of situations with enough power to last throughout the day, and the space to save all your favorite apps, videos, and songs, all wrapped in a sleek and low-profile prime black finish. And of course, on every Straight Talk phone will say this: a service plan required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable. So this front, back, and left side there. The left side has nothing there, so the back might come off. I'm not really sure. Yeah. Then what the hell's not on the left side? Then what the hell is this button? And what the hell? Then what the hell is this right here? Don't know. It's kind of interesting. And what do you know? No specs. Dude, this shit's starting to piss me off. But if you guys want to get the full specs on the TCL 30Z, link will be down below for the full official specs from TCL on this phone. I don't know why Straight Talk don't put no specs on this phone here on this website. It's kind of dumb. But anyways, what's included in the box is your TCL 30Z smartphone, quick start guide, your charger, and micro USB charger. So kind of interesting. It does have Android 12, which is good, smart and pretty. TCL 30Z brings the power of Google Lens to the 8-megapixel main camera, allowing you to shoot high definition videos or quickly learn about the world around you, combined with a 5-megapixel selfie camera. Like the biggest con about this phone that it only has one camera in the back, so that's a big con, especially in 2022. So don't know why TCL opted for a single rear camera. I don't know why. I get that it's $60, but most budget phones have at least 3 or 4 cameras in the back. So it's kind of depressing when you think about it. Visuals that matter. The TCL 30Z features a 6.1-inch HD Plus display powered by Next Vision that enhances photos, videos, and games to stunning quality while reducing optical strain and fatigue. So Next vision technology from TCL is a great tool because it reduces eye strain, so that's a plus. Functional and secure. The low profile texture design helps keep the phone in place, preventing wobbles and drops. The prime black honeycomb matte finish makes the TCL 30Z a standout accessory. Keep your information and device secure using Face Unlock. There is no fingerprint on this phone. Performance when you need it. A 3000 mAh battery combined with TCL Smart Manager keeps you connected longer, and the 32 gigabytes of expandable memory allows you to save more of what you need and love. Alright, so if you guys are looking to get a budget phone and stuff like that and don't really care about the cons on this phone, the TCL 30Z is a nice looking phone. The phone does look very nice, it does. For $60, you can get it right now at Straight Talk for $60. This one's also available at TrackPhone and Cricket respectively, and it's also available at Verizon as well as the TCL 30LE on Verizon prepaid. So 4 carriers now have this phone, so pretty cool. The two big cons that I found on this phone, that it only has one rear camera in the back, which is disappointing in 2022. And it takes a micro USB charging, which is a disappointment in 2022 as well. So I don't know why TCL opted for a micro USB charging and a single rear camera in the back. I don't know why they did that. It was kind of dumb on their part. So yeah. But if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, this would be a decent backup phone. I mean, it does have Android 12, which is pretty nice, 4G and all that good stuff. So, I mean, there's some pros and cons to this phone, of course. The biggest cons, like I said, is the single rear camera in the back and micro USB charging. So, there's only 2 cons that I found so far on the phone. So, yeah. There you guys have it. The TCL 30Z is now here at Straight Talk for $59.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.